Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Haris bin Rizal and my matrix number is 01DPU23F1023. And today I'm going to talk about trigonometry. Trigonometry is a fundamental branch of mathematics that focus on the study of triangle and the relationship between their angles and sides. The main concept in trigonometry revolve around trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine and tangent, which relate the angle of triangle to the ratio of its sides. This is one of the subtopic that we're gonna learn in trigonometry. So for the basic of it, the first quadrant, all theta must be positive. For the second quadrant, only sine theta have to be positive. And for the third quadrant, tangent theta positive. And for the lastly, for the fourth quadrant, cos theta positive. This is one of the example of trigonometry calculation. Find the value of theta. Since cos theta is negative, we only use second and third quadrant. First of all, you need to find reference angle first, which is A, using your calculator. Press shift and cos button and enter this number to get the reference angle. For second quadrant calculation, 180 degrees minus reference angle and you got 108.11 degrees. For the next part, 180 degrees plus reference angle and you got 251.89 degrees. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fazrul Afzan bin Arsad. And my matrix number is 01DPU23F1022 and I'm from class DPU 1A. Okay, today I will explain about trigonometry's identities and equation. Trigonometric equation is an equation involve one or more trigonometric ratios of unknown angle. It is expressed as ratio of sin, cos and tan. For trigonometric identities is the equalities that involves trigonometric function and hold true for all the values of variable given in the equation. Trigonometric equation and identities have a wide range of application in fields such as physics, engineering, and calculus, and they are essential for understanding and working with periodic function and geometry. For trigonometric equation and identities have three formulas. The first formula is Pythagorean's identities. For second formula is compound angle, like this. And the last formula is double angle. That's all for me for explain introduction trigonometric identities and equation. Thank you.
Thanks for my friends Nazmi to sharing about triangle equation and identity. Now it's my turn to sharing about solution triangle problem using sine and cosine rule. First thing you should know to solve for triangle problem using sine and cosine rule is you should know this, and this. You should know this. Why? Why? Because the sine rule is an important rule relating the side and angle of any triangle. If A, B, and C, the length of the side opposite the angle A, B, C in the triangle, then you should know this rule. A per sine A equation B per sine B equation C per sine C. If you want to find an angle, you can write this as sine A per A equation sine B per B equation sine C per C. This you should know to solve for triangle problem. For solution for triangle problem using sine and cosine rule, you should know two formula. Formula 1, we call it the cosine rule. This also work any triangle. For example, A square equation B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This is for find A. What if to find B? B square equation A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. This is same like to find C. C square equation A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is formula for the cosine rule. Next formula, we call it the area of a triangle. For example, area equation 1/2 AB sine C. This is formula of an area triangle. This formula is useful. If you don't know how the height of the triangle, you need to know the higher for 1/2 over base over height. Now let's see for the example question. This is example question for the triangle. In the triangle ABC, given that A equation 5 cm, B equation 3 cm, and B equation 30 degree. Solve the triangle. First, we must find an angle of A. Angle of A. So, first thing, we should know A sin A per A equation sin B per B. So next, Science A. Equation A. Science B per B. Next, A sines -1. Sines -1. A sines B sines B per B. So A sines A sines -1. A is 5. 5 sines B. Sines B is 30 degree. 30 per B. B is 3. So, example for this answer for the this question is 59.44 degree. This is angle of A. After we get an angle of A, we must find an angle of C. Okay. To find an angle of C equation total triangle is 180 degree minus B 30 degree and A 56.44 degree, and answer is 93.56. After we get all angle of A, B, C, we must find a length of C. Okay, remember formula number 1. C square equation A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Remember that? Okay, next. C square root A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C and square. And next, we put 5 plus 3 square minus 2AB. AB. A is 5, B is 3. And cos C. Remember cos C? Cos 93.56. And the answer you can get is 5.66 cm. This is length of C. For the last step, we must use formula number 2 to find area of a triangle. Remember? 1/2 A B sine C. Okay. 1/2 A is 5. B is 3. And sine C is 93.56. And final answer is 7.49 cm square. This is answer for the solve the triangle. Okay. That's all for we. We hope you understand what we explained to you about topic trigonometry. So that's all for we. Oh, forget. My name is Rukmanul Hakim bin Shahabuddin. Number metric is 01 DPU 23F1024. See you next video. Bye bye.